Ever wondered how to make your breakfast and lunch more nutritious and delicious? And imagine starting the day with a refreshing tropical paradise smoothie or delighting your taste buds with a berry blast smoothie come midday. Today we'll explore 5 mouth-watering smoothie recipes, each bursting with flavor and brimming with nutrients. First up, the tropical paradise smoothie. Picture this: pineapple and mango, the stars of this drink dancing together in a tropical celebration. Add coconut milk for a silky texture and toss in a handful of spinach to sneak in some greens. Blend until smooth and voila, you've got a refreshing, vitamin-rich breakfast in a glass. Next on the list is the Berry Blast smoothie. Strawberries and blueberries, both loaded with antioxidants, are the primary ingredients here. Adding Greek yogurt provides a boost of protein, and a splash of orange juice gives it a tangy kick. Blend these together and you've got a vibrant, healthful drink perfect for a mid-morning snack or light lunch. Now let's venture into the realm of green smoothies with the Green Goddess recipe. This nutrient-packed drink combines kale, banana, cucumber, and almond milk. The kale provides an abundance of vitamins, the banana adds a sweet touch, and the cucumber lends a refreshing twist. Almond milk ties it all together, creating a smoothie that's as delicious as it is nutritious. The Mango Tango smoothie is next. This zesty tropical treat blends mango and pineapple with a squeeze of lime juice and coconut water. It's a hydrating, vitamin C-packed smoothie that's perfect for a hot day or post-workout refuel. Finally, we have the Peanut Butter Banana Bliss. Bananas and peanut butter form the creamy base of this smoothie, with milk adding to its smooth texture and a touch of honey sweetening the deal. This protein-packed smoothie is an indulgent yet healthy choice for those with a sweet tooth. So, there you have it, 5 delightful smoothie recipes, each offering a unique flavor profile and a wealth of nutritional benefits. From the tropical to the tangy, the green to the creamy, these smoothies are sure to make your breakfasts and lunches not only more enjoyable but also more healthful. Remember, the key to a great smoothie is quality ingredients and a good blender. So go ahead, give these recipes a whirl, and enjoy the delicious journey towards better nutrition.